students, in this GK class we are going to discuss some states and union territories of India. Yes, you should be proud of your country because we are the most diverse country on earth, and we have 28 states in total and 8 union territories. Okay, what are the difference in states and union territories? States are the area or region in which which has its own government, which has its own state government, but whereas union territories have central government. Okay, we'll talk about it more in the class. First of all, look at these list of 28 states, and yes, each state has its own capital. You know in which state do you live in? You live in Uttar Pradesh. In short, we call it UP. And what is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? It's Lucknow. Fine, it is the most populated states. Yes, and now here you can read all these states and its capital. You should learn all these. Okay, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, and try to locate them on a map. That would be much better, and with that you will remember it forever. So try to find a political map on Google. Also you can find and locate all these, find these all states located there, and then you can also revise the capital. Okay, like if you find Andhra Pradesh, then you must know the capital is Hyderabad. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bangalore. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. West Bengal, Kolkata. So I have read all these states for you, and you should learn all these states and its capitals and try to locate it on Indian political map. And these are the union territories. Okay, Andaman and Nicobar Island, and its capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh, its own capital. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. See, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu both have joined together as per the Act of Union Territories 2019. They have merged. Okay, earlier there were 9 union territories. Now they count as 8 because the Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu have merged. Fine. So its capital is Daman. Delhi, there is no capital. Its capital. Lakshadweep, Kavarati, Pondicherry, Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu in winter and Srinagar in summer, Ladakh, Leh. Okay, and also read all these facts about union territories. See, there are 8 union territories in India, and special regions in which are directly under the central government. Okay, they do not have their own government, but Delhi and Puducherry have been given partial statehood, which means that they can conduct elections and have their own ministry and legislative assembly. Here you see India has adopted, do you know about it, Indian emblem, national emblem? Have you seen the picture? It's not there, but I'll show you in class. And in which what is the speciality about that national emblem? It has 3 lions and 3 standing lions and 1 another standing lion is hidden behind all three. And yes, there are total 4 lions on Indian national emblem, and some one dharm chakra, wheel of law, as the wheel you see on the flag of India. So that kind of wheel which called dharm chakra, and on the side of chakra there are the sculpture of an elephant, a horse, bull and lion. You can find the image and just let me know how do you like it. Now next is know your country. Here India is a land that with vivid landscape and physical features, a lot of astonishing features and geography. So here are the some amazing largest features landscape, and we have to find that where it is located. Like the longest bridge over above water is Bhupen Hazarika Bridge. Okay, here the largest freshwater lake, where it is located, it is Wular Lake in Kashmir. Longest highway tunnel, where is this? Atal Tunnel, it is in Rohtang. The largest museum, where is the largest museum? It's Indian Museum, Kolkata. The tallest statue, have you ever been to any museum? Just try to search it and see it. If you have not seen, you can watch it on YouTube. Next, the tallest statue, it's Statue of Unity, I guess. Yes, in Gujarat. Okay, the biggest stadium, where is the auto racing? It's in Noida, Budh International Circuit, Greater Noida. Most populous state, yes, ours is the most populous state, and that's not a good thing. Next, the longest dam, it's Hirakund Dam, Odisha. The longest river tunnel, is Pir Panjal River Railway Tunnel, Jammu and Kashmir. Smallest state in area, it's Goa. Okay, and the largest desert in India is the Thar Desert in Rajasthan. So you all should find all these images of all these longest landscape on Google, or try to visit. If you can't visit them, just watch it on YouTube. So that's all about today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.